Why don't you come inside?
Is your mom in there with you?
No. No, it's just me and you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You don't got a basement full of girls, right?
No.
Okay.
I jumped off the stairs.
Elizabeth.
I know.
Jesus.
I know, Joan.
Whose turn is it?
Me! When I go to India, I'm gonna bring my purple cape, my purple shawl, Phillips-head screwdriver, toothbrush, a velvet cape, a copy of the Bible, a bottle of red wine, and, the battle axe! And a calico kitten.
The doctor called.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. When you were out with Joan, you didn't pick up.
What'd he say?
Looks like it was possible after all.
Johnny,
Oh, your prenatals are in my coat pocket. You can have them tomorrow with breakfast.
Oh, you joking. You
You
joking.
can't. You just gotta relax.
I'm
Alex.
relaxed. I'm relaxed, girl. I appreciate you.
You seem a little tense.
I am a little tense right now, I'm not gonna lie. Because you sit here and you coming from outside, coming into my space, and you still fully clothed, you sit here. For some reason.
Do you want me to get naked?
I wouldn't mind, yeah. I thought that's what we was getting down to it. So, please.
knowing how I feel, that I could go day after day and feel my failure. That I would go day after day and feel you, Taylor, close to me, not wanting me. Until what? Until I died, Cynthia? Until what? I don't want your help. I don't need your help. I don't need your charity money. I do very well. How could you possibly? Do you want to know what I do for a living? Do you? Prostitute. God, your sister is a prostitute.
Libby.
I have sex. Stone cold sober. Sex with businessmen who pay me because they can pretend that I like them because I can remember their names. I'm a prostitute.
How could you?